Here is how to add metadata to a test payment in Stripe, step by step. Begin by making sure Stripe is set to test mode, sometimes labeled sandbox depending on the view you are using. This matters because you want to edit a test payment, not a live transaction. Look for the mode indicator before you continue and confirm that you are not working in your live data. Once you're in the correct mode, move to the left sidebar and click Transactions. This opens the area where Stripe lists payment activity for the account you are viewing. Give the page a moment to load if needed, then look through the list for the specific test payment you want to update. When you find a payment, click it to open its details page. This page shows the full record for that transaction, including status, amount, payment method information, and additional fields connected to the payment. You only need the details page for the payment you selected, so make sure you open the correct test transaction before making changes. On the payment details page, scroll down until you reach the metadata section. Depending on your screen size and how much information is shown on the page, you may need to scroll a bit further than expected. Metadata is where you can attach custom key and value pairs to the payment, which can help you label or identify it inside your workflow. Next to metadata, click Edit. This switches the section into an editable view so you can add or update entries. You will see fields for a key and a value. In the key field, enter the label you want to use. In the value field, enter the matching information for that label. Keep each entry clear and specific so it is useful when you review the payment later. If you need to include more than one metadata entry, click Add another item. That creates another pair of fields for an additional key and value. You can repeat this for each extra item you want to attach to the payment. Make sure each key matches the value you intend to store, and review what you entered before saving. When all of your metadata entries are in place, click Save. Stripe will update the test payment with the information you entered and return the section to its normal view. If the page refreshes or briefly pauses, wait for it to finish and confirm that the metadata now appears in the payment record. Your selected Stripe test payment now has the metadata you added saved to its payment details.